but awukwazi ukuthi mawubleeda uyobleedela kumuntu
Sure.
uyokuqedelela qime
yo indlela into oyithole ngayo indlela oyimaintaina ngayo into oyithole ngoNkulunkulu idinga uNkulunkulu kuze ibe maintained. That's how life has been designed.
ubusisiwe
Sure.
othemba lakhe likuJehova
Sure.
kunaloyo othemba lakhe lisebantwini.
Sure.
Every time uNkulunkulu ezokubusisa ngento kuba khona iinstruction how to maintain lento akunikeza yona. But iproblem when isibusiso sesisithola sidakwa yiso bese sikhohlwa the instruction that God gave us.
Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi. Welcome to Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi once again. Thank you so much for the support and the love and isikhombisa yona lapho kwa YouTube and TikTok. We've seen ama video where Real Talk trender. Siyabonga kakhulu. Most importantly, don't forget to like and subscribe on this particular channel Yamadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi. This is the only home of a Real Talk. Any other home kwa YouTube oyodibana nayo ekungeyona Yamadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi, please kindly report that account. As always, Bafethu, I'm not alone. You know, Sbuda, the Buddhas, put
the Buddha so great vet.
Ngiphilile put.
Hayi no ngimnandi ngibingelele yonke South Africa. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyakazisa Umuzi. I think if it's been 3 months ne?
Yeah, it's been 3
sicale
months.
Real Talk. Yeah, sicale phansi nje. And the feedback and the push yayo nje it has been amazing. And njoba shumabunda ayikho enye Real Talk ngaphandle kwale. Siyabonga abafethu siku episode 21 manje we've pushed say, and thank you so much for those who are commenting and liking, and also for those who are subscribing. And also I noticed Mabunda ama subscription akhuphukile from last ale khona to last corner. And thank you so much for those abasikhulekelayo. uNkulunkulu anikhulise, uNkulunkulu anibusise. Mabunda mfowethu
Sbuda,
sure
sihlala.
Yes, vele siqede.
Let's get straight to it. I wanted us to talk about something that is very important empilweni yomuntu.
Sure.
Which most people they don't think uthi kubaluleke kangakanani, where else kubaluleke kakhulu. Indaba ye spirituality yokunakekela umuntu wakho wakamoya.
Sure.
Angazi if it makes sense.
Yeah.
I've realized that we have time to go to gym, we have time to take care of our relationships, we have time to take care of everything.
Sure.
Yet we neglect that one most important thing, which is umuntu wakho kamoya, which is your relationship between you and God.
And God, yeah.
And only to find out ukuthi kubhlungu mango ukuthi kube nemali, relationship ehamba kahle, yonke lento ngaphandle right. You get what I'm saying? But there is a void that is somewhere that you feel like, no man, why ngathi there is something that is not right? Why ngathi there is a certain level of fulfillment that I'm not getting? Only to find out ukuthi it is your spiritual life that is lacking. It is your spiritual life that is forever going down. And now you have become someone that is dry. So tell abantu mvangeli who go into relationships that they are not supposed to go into. You get what I'm saying? But only to find out that in reality you just need to fix your relationship with God, then that part of you will be fulfilled. But abanye they think that money will remedy that. You get what I'm saying? Ingakho phuthi uthola ukuthi kunabantu uma bangena ku relationship, instead of understanding ukuthi sometimes you need to nikeza umuntu wakho space or whoever space, they become clingy.
That's true.
Does it make sense? Asingene deeper put.
But man, you've highlighted something which is so powerful. Mina, I'm gonna be honest with you, but
sure.
Ama result ezinto ezibonakalayo.
Sure.
Akusho ukuthi ama result omuntu wangaphakathi.
Sure.
Njoba usho ukuthi zingaba right izinto, but itholakala ukuthi uyasafara kuleyo nto. I think iphutha esilenzile most of the time singabantu ukuthi sicele izinto kuNkulunkulu ngomthandazo. Sathi mase siyithola sasuka emthandazweni. Because uma lithi iBhayibheli Mabunda funani okombuso, funani umbuso wezulu, konke okudingayo kuzonezela
Sure.
because mina ngizokutshela iqiniso Mabunda, as much as ufuna izinto
Sure.
izinto za depressant kanti kuba ngcono when uNkulunkulu umbeka phezulu kwezinto
Sure.
uthando onalo for uNkulunkulu lungaphezulu kwezinto eziphathekayo
Sure.
because but uma uzothanda uNkulunkulu ngakho konke onakho leyo nto kusho ukuthi Mabunda uyamkhonza, but uma uzothanda izinto ukudlula uNkulunkulu
Sure.
ukhonza izinto.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
That is why but into kaJobe is serious lento because uSathane wamosha izinto
Sure.
kanti inhliziyo kaJobe ayikho entweni
Sure.
but inhliziyo kaJobe kuNkulunkulu.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So it's very important ukuthi uthathe inhliziyo uyibeke kuNkulunkulu ungayibeki entweni.
You know, I've realized something strangely. This is a strange observation. Ukuthi abayeni abathanda uNkulunkulu ngokwempela.
Sure.
Husbands that love God genuinely and wives that love God genuinely,
Sure.
and that take care of their spiritual life genuinely.
Sure.
I've noticed that they're most likely to become better partners. Ngoba uma angeke mango uthandaze kuNkulunkulu hayi ngenxa yokuthi ufuna izinto but ngenxa yokuthi ufuna ukumaintain a relationship yakho naye. Uthola ukuthi ke during the day nomuntu wakho beningakhulumisana onilwile uhambe uyemthandazweni uNkulunkulu angakukhombisa ukuthi uyenzeni into wrong. Now we have a problem in our generation whereby abantu bathatha into kaNkulunkulu ubumshado bese bakhipha uNkulunkulu. You find people that are spiritually dry, both of them spiritually dry, easily getting attacked. Why? Because of your spiritual life, it's not on high alert. Every time when you're going to God, it's because of you want something. Uyaqela njalo. When last did you have what we call intimate relationship with God, whereby it's all about you and the love that you have with Him, whereby you have a relationship with God and you relate to Him not only as God but as a father. Does it make sense?
Sure.
But inkinga yethu mango, every time when we approaching God, it's all about ngifuna lokhu, why lokhu kungenzeki, why lokhu kungenzeki. It's all about uqela lokhu nalokhu, but you never had a time whereby you talk about the goodness of God.
Ukuthi mkhulu kangakanani.
Ingakho do you know mango uyakhona ungena emthandazweni depressed uphume nepeace ungayazi ukuthi ivela phi.
Yazi bhuti, let me explain lento kaNkulunkulu.
Sure.
How it goes.
Sure.
Usathinta le ndaba yokuthi uma usondela kuNkulunkulu
Sure.
kuba khona izinto ayibulalayo.
Yeah.
iBhayibheli lithi uNkulunkulu wabhubhisa bekazobhubhisa umhlaba ngozamcolo.
Sure.
Emkhumbini kaNoah abantu bebangekho.
Sure.
Kodwa kwangena izilwane kuphela.
Yeah.
And asingakuphikisi ke lokumabunda ibhubesi liyingozi.
Sure.
Malibona inyamazane,
Sure.
especially malibona inyama.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Nenyoka nayo uyingozi mayibona iprayer into ezoyiattacker eyimili kuyona.
Sure.
But ithi iBhayibheli uNoah kunento bekayishisa.
Yeah.
And lento makayishisa yenza ubulwane bobubhubesi bushone ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
Bese kuvela ukulunga ebhubiseni.
Yeah.
Even nenyoka nayo the moment ismela lento uNoah kayishisa ubunyoka bushona phansi. Isho ukuthini lento mabona? The most ithandazelana as partners,
yeah,
or as a family siya kuNkulunkulu kuba khona ubulwane obushona phansi masiloko sikhuleka simdumisa uNkulunkulu. Lezo zinto lobunhliziyo embi lokumagcubu lokungaxolelani, the moment usithandaza sonke sikhuleka sonke kuba khona izinto uThixo ayikhiphayo afake lezi ezifunekalayo. That is why it's very important ukuthandaza ningumndeni, even nomuntu wakho, even as a friend.
You know mango, there is what we call the discerning spirit. Futhi atinga ukuthi discerning spirit ngiyeko the Holy Spirit.
Sure.
Lithi iBhayibheli umoya ongcwele uyonambulela izinto lezi ngangifundisa zona, and he will even show you more. Now the minute uba nomoya ongcwele as a person and the minute uthandaza uThixo uyakhona ukukuvula amehlo ubone nezinto lezi bongaziboni ngomuntu wakho. Does it make sense? Ngoba sometimes uthola ukuthi kunezinto ezi-wrong azenzayo, but simply because of you are not in line spiritually and your relationship with God it's not aligned very well, you won't be able to see noma balahleka. But the minute your relationship with God is stable, there is no way God cannot reveal izinto ezifihlekileyo. Bafethu umthandazo ubalulekile. Inkinga yethu mango senzele phutha lokuthi uNkulunkulu uze ne concept ye marriage, thina sakhipha uNkulunkulu saveza ubumuntu, kanti the minute sivumela uNkulunkulu eba khona kulento esihlangane ngayo usenza ukuthi noma bengakhona ukubekezela, but for your sake and because of the relationship that I have with God ngithole sengikhona ukubekezela. Does it make sense? But the problem for among generation yethu, we have got to a point whereby we have undermined the importance of having a strong relationship with God, the importance of praying continuously, not for asking but for fellowship.
Let me say this thing as it is raw and undiluted. Ngiyazi abanye bazoba offended, but it's the truth. But ningathandana nomuntu nikholelwe kuNkulunkulu yena yedwa, but uma omunye thandaza eya kuNkulunkulu wena ungakhuphuki naye, uyothi mawehla uyodibana noSathane emntwini wakho. I will repeat this thing again. That is why but it's very important ama-couples or family nikhuleke ndawonye, because uma omunye ekhuphuka eya kuNkulunkulu okusho ugcwala ngamandla kaNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu bakuwena, nesitha naye siyacheck ukuthi lo muntu onenhliziyo yakho unaye na emthandazweni. Uma engekho emthandazweni loyo muntu, that is why uyodibana nesitha uma sowehla wehlile kuNkulunkulu. That is why but abanye bazibuza ukuthi yazi njalo mangibuya ku prayer and fasting kuvele kuvuke izimpi, umyeni wami angiphakamele, unkosikazi wami angiphakamele. Umbuzo uyanaye na ealtar, uyanaye na kuNkulunkulu. But it's very important masikhuphuka siye kuNkulunkulu, asikhuphuke nsonke.
You know lento ebhlungu mfoka mango ingakho we live in a generation nabazali bayalenza lephutha lokuthi bakhuphuke bodwa bashiye ingane
nabantwana.
Does it make sense? Bashiya abantwana, bashiya ingane emuva. Kanti uma sikhuphuka siye enkosini, remember bafethu, you have what we call your personal relationship with God as a person or as a family. As a person, as a father, you need to have a stable relationship with God first. Umfazi wako or umama as a mother, it's very important to also have a personal relationship noNkulunkulu. Does it make sense? Ngoba kunezinto lezi uNkulunkulu can direct to you personally, but kunezinto that require the whole family to become. One, you cultivate your relationship with God personally. Two, you cultivate the relationship with God as a family, which is corporate. And number two, kubalulekile bafethu ukuthi lo Nkulunkulu owanisebenzela ningabazali nim-introduce ey'nganeni zenu. Inkinga yethu mvangeli uthola ukuthi siphile esikhathini lebhayibheli ayikho into ebuhlungu uthola ukuthi ubaba nomama basindiswe bayamthanda uNkulunkulu, kodwa ingane i-lifestyle yabo contradicts impilo yabo. Does it make sense? We know you cannot force them, but I believe mfoka manga ukuthi ukuhamba nabo ikhona into etshalekayo.
Yabasiza. Yazi bhuti mfowethu, into kamoya ijule kakhulu. Into kamoya ijule kakhulu. Ibaluleke ngani into yokuthi ulethe ingane enkosini? One thing I've realized ngihlezi ngisho lento, abantwana bafunda ngokubona, hayi ngokubatshela. Yingakho noma kuthiwa niyathandaza ubabone badlala kodwa nithandaza, don't be offended, because uyothi sekakhulile izimo zempilo zimshaya, akhumbule uNkulunkulu kama wakhe noma uNkulunkulu kababakhe.
Sure.
Kuthi no ngake ngamuza ubaba ebiza uJehova. Okusho abantwana ngeke bayi understand into kaNkuluNkulu manje.
Sure.
But in a long run, because puthi mina ngizokutshela yabona lento ekuthiwa impilo
Hey.
iyakukhumbuza ukuthi manje sekosube serious ngoNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Because one of the things mina ngihlezi ngiyikhuluma ukuthi Mabunda, mina into eyangenza ngasondela kakhulu kuNkulunkulu izimo. If bezingekho izimo bengeke ngisondele kuNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Because izimo zangishaya to a point ukuthi ngezwe beshumayela ngoNkulunkulu onamandla.
Sure.
Kanti isimo sami sinamandla, sidinga umnini mandla onke noma sinamandla kumina.
Sure.
Ngafila ngathi ngiyashumayela inkosi yami. Angazi noma ngiyazwakala naMabunda. So it is very important Mabunda ukuthi ingane zibe khona babe khona bonke when sebabadala bazoyikhumbula liyasho neBhayibheli when abantwana sebabadala bayokhumbula imiyalo kaNkulunkulu.
You know, Mango, while you're speaking like that,
Sure.
nginento ngaphakathi kumina ethi I'm not against the Bible.
Sure.
But how I so wish we can take the Bible and make it practical in our own lives. For example, uNkulunkulu makazozi introducer bekakhona ukuthi ngoNkulunkulu kaJakobe asintroduce ngoNkulunkulu kaMose kaJoseph
Yeah.
kanjalo. How much more will one day abantwana bethu uma babhekana nezimo
Hey.
bathi uNkulunkulu kababa? Angazi if it makes sense because remember Mvangeli, if uNkulunkulu simbonile empilweni zethu nabantwana bethu kwamele bambone empilweni zethu.
Yeah.
Do you know Mvangeli ukuthi kunabantwana abangafuni ukukhonza ngoba kunento abayibona ngobaba
impilo yabo
you get what I'm saying? And uthola ukuthi Mvangeli hayi kubhlungu mfethu uthola umntana jazini mina uNkulunkulu yena ngiyambonga ngabona kubaba ukuthi ubaba uyahlupheka lo uNkulunkulu umama amkhonzayo angifuni ukuya kuye. Does it make sense? And sometimes uthola ukuthi uNkulunkulu akusuka ukuthi akakhona ukwenza izinto or akazenza izinto ukuthi sometimes thina singabazali simkhonza ngendlela okungakosanga simkhonze ngayo.
Okay.
Do you remember the scripture manje sithi anitholi ngoba niceli and sometimes nithi anitholi ngoba aniceli ngendlela right.
Yeah, according to God's way.
You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
And this is why bafethu sigcina sibone abantwana sebangasafuna ukukhonza lo uNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo. And not only abantwana, even family members. Remember Mvangeli njengoba siphila kunabantu ababukile uma uthi uyikholwa usindisiwe kunabantu that are looking and the truth is one. Do you know Mvangeli, one of the things that I've seen people say was to say yazi mfethu kuwonke umuntu ongazenza izinto bengaboni ukuthi wena uthanda uNkulunkulu ngalendlela ungenza into enso. Does it make sense? Okusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ugqwala kithi to a point ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi kunezinye izinto azenzwa ngabantu abamthanda ngalendlela.
Hey bhuti man, hey, that's deep. Lo mfo ubuyile futhi omunye. Okay. Bhuti angikuphazamisi ngoba yakwazi usensitive. Bhuti,
sure,
it is painful to pour in people's life.
Sure.
But kungekho wena la ukha khona.
I hear you.
Kuyingozi ukuthelela abantu amanzi kanti wena akukho la ukha khona. Akuthi bhuti sobathelela abantu amanzi.
Sure.
Bese uyabuyela uyokha. Ukhona kusasa uzokwazi ukubathelela.
Yo.
Bhuti lento ekuthiwa uthando.
Sure.
Lento ekuthiwa to care for people.
Sure.
Lento ekuthiwa ube nendaba with people. Leyo nto ikusiza like 10 after solithelile uthando.
Sure.
Hamba ke phela kuNkulunkulu wothando, uye kuNkulunkulu onendaba nawe, uzokwazi ukuthelela abanye abantu.
Yo.
That is why but lento ye spirituality ukuthi ube mandla kumuntu kamoya
Yeah.
compared to izinto zenyama.
Sure.
Because the truth is but inyama le
Yeah.
kunomuntu lo ongaphakathi ongabonakali.
Sure.
But ingakho uma kuthiwa umuntu ushonile angichaze lento kuthiwa umuntu ushonile kodwa umzimba uyawubona.
Yeah.
Uyayizwa lento
Yeah.
okusho ukuthi umuntu akuyona inyama
Sure.
kodwa umuntu ulo muntu ongaphakathi. And lo muntu lona uma ehamba uya kuNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Understand mabona leyo ko sizayichaza ke leyo ukuthi okay uba se Hades abanye baya kuphi abanye baya kuba khona Hades bese kuba khona paradise. I-Hades is a small hell so ichaza waiting room so ichaza ke leyo ngelinye lamalanga. But into engiyichazayo but ukuthi umoya ubelonga kuNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Yingakho uthi simdumise ngomoya nangeqiniso. Okusho ukuthi mabunda uma uzodumisa uNkulunkulu
Sure.
ngosumdumise ngobuyena nobunguwe ongumoya ngoba naye ungumoya.
Yo. Ngeke ibe long le episode.
Yeah no.
Siyayivala. Shortest episode ever. Siyayivala manje.
Sure.
Mangu. Kunabantu la abavumela izinto abayithola kuNkulunkulu zibasuse kuye.
Sure.
Life bafethu it's designed in such a way yokuthi indlela into oyithole ngayo indlela oyimaintaina ngayo.
Sure.
Into oyithole ngoNkulunkulu idinga uNkulunkulu kuze ibe maintained. That's how life has been designed. Angeke mvangele uthole into kuNkulunkulu bese uyimaintaina ngezinto ezingaveli
kuye. Hey mabungelela iqiniso.
Angazi if it makes sense lo ngisho. So now sinabantu abanga understand the importance. Oh man, I'm looking for the perfect way to put this. Okay. Imoto mawuyithenga mvangeli iyayidinga iservice.
Hey, that's true.
There is no way ungathenga imoto noma ngathiwa ayimoshekanga but iservice yona iyayidinga.
Sure.
Number 2, umzimba wakho umzimba on its own uyayidinga iservice. Ingakho ekseni sivuka siyageza. Ingakho siyadla, ingakho siphuza amanzi. Ngoba the minute lezinto lezi ezidinga kwethu kuze zenze umzimba ufunction obe right zingekho ubona ngomzimba the way uba ngakhona. Kunjalo ke mvangeli nomoya wethu uyawudinga service
which is true.
Do you know what's the problem? Inkinga yethu mvangeli sithi noma lento sizothi lento siyidinga uNkulunkulu. Instead yokuthi sibalekela kumnikazi which is God.
Yeah.
Because umoya futhi waphefumulela ngokuNkulunkulu and udinga uNkulunkulu kuze ukhona ukuthi angeke you will get married, you will have cars, you will have everything. But outside of God there is a certain level of unfulfillment that you're gonna have. There is a certain level of depression that you're gonna have. Kanti kunabantu mvangela abayibulalayo kanti the only thing that they needed is to have that relationship with God in place. Let me repeat this thing. Ayikho indawo lazinganethi khona.
Yeah.
Everyone is going through the same challenges. Lo muntu owazibulala ngenxa yesimo esithize. Akusukuthi is the only one that went through that. Bakhona abanye that went through the same situation. And even worse than that one. But into yabasindisa, it's their relationship with God and their continuous method of praying. Take care. Listen to me. I want you to listen to me very carefully. Take care of your spiritual life. Zinakekele. Fix your relationship with God. Abanye benu lana spiritually you are dead, but you are asking for marriage. Abanye benu spiritually you are dead, but you are asking for job. And ungazi ukuthi lapha emsebenzini kunabantu abakhonza izinto zabo. And lezi zinto abayikhonza ziyabasebenzela ngoba bazenza ngendlela. Do you know inkinga yethu mvangele yini? Inkinga yethu sikhonza uNkulunkulu kodwa imiyalo yakhe nezinto ayifunayo kuthina nama instruction wethu asifuni nama instruction wakhe asifuni kumlalela sifuna yena enze intando yethu kanti mvangeli noma uye enyangeni inyanga alikhona ukukunikeza umuthi ingakunikeza ama instruction
sesivala but
sure.
let me repeat ngalendlela
sure
but uma athi uNkulunkulu ubusisiwe
sure
othemba lakhe likuJehova
sure
kunaloyo othemba lakhe lisebantwini
sure
but awukwazi ukuthi mawubleeda uyobleedela kumuntu
sure
uyokuqedelela qime
yo
iningi labantu lithe maligwazeka ligwazwa impilo la gijima la yobleedela kubantu
sure
umuntu wamqedela ngoba amabunda ongizwe kahle ungumuntu nawe
sure.
nami ngingumuntu
sure.
okusho izinto engibhekana nazo nawe ubhekana nazo
yes,
izinto ezikushayayo nami ziyangishaya kanjani mangibleeda bese ngiyokhalela kuwe
sure.
kanti nawe uyableeda obvious mabunda ngi-eda on top of kulento obleedela kuyona
sure.
ungiqedelele ngife so that's why uNkulunkulu athi babusisiwe othemba labo likuyena kunalabo othemba lisebantwini emabona kuhle mfowethu ukuthi impilo mntasika mayikushaya uhamba uyobleedela kuNkulunkulu
sure.
Number 2
yes sir
you mentioned ukuthi kunama instruction every time when uNkulunkulu akunikeza into
sure
uSamson mabunda uma ezozalwa
sure
uManoa wanikezwa iinstruction wathiwa lengane ozoyizala ngumnaziri kaNkulunkulu ungamgundi inwele iinstruction every time when uNkulunkulu newayini angalithindi every time when uNkulunkulu ezokubusisa ngento kuba khona iinstruction how to maintain lento akunikeza yona but iproblem when isibusiso sesisithola sidakwa yiso bese sikhohlwa the instruction that God gave us
real talk bafethu with amadoda nakazi Smuzi. This might be one of the shortest episode ever, but we hope it has made the right and relevant impact. Don't forget to connect with us on the following number 0646200751. Let me repeat the number 0646200751. If you want to offer, give, just text us on that particular number, and it is also linked to eCapitec number. Siyabonga bafethu, may you have a blessed night. Siyabonga.